Welcome to Heavy Haul Harvesters. Today, join Leica as she introduces a powerful wood-cutting machine with exceptional features. This is not just an ordinary machine, but a groundbreaking innovation in the wood harvesting industry. Let's dive in. She begins with a brief introduction to the day's task, exuding professionalism and friendliness. Then she quickly moves to the powerful loader, skillfully operating it to lift the large, heavy logs to the sawmill. With intense focus, she carefully measures and precisely trims both ends of the logs, ensuring they meet the required size before feeding them into the machine. Every action is precise and deft, showcasing her expertise and leaving everyone in awe. Leica carefully secures the log onto the sawmill, ensuring everything is firmly in place. She meticulously checks every detail, showcasing her precision and professionalism. Once everything is ready, Leica starts the sawmill and makes the first powerful, precise cuts. The sound of the saw fills the air as the first wood pieces are cleanly separated. Her every move reflects exceptional skill, creating a sense of excitement and bringing an energetic, captivating atmosphere to the scene. She begins rotating the log, skillfully trimming the remaining sides with precision and care. Each powerful, decisive cut transforms the rough edges into smooth, flat surfaces. Under her expert hands, the log gradually takes on a sleek, rectangular shape, neat and well-balanced. Every step of the process reflects her professionalism and meticulous attention to detail, resulting in a perfectly crafted piece. Those watching can't help but admire her outstanding skill and the impressive transformation she achieves. She gradually saws the log into thin, even planks with the help of the powerful sawmill. Each cut is precise and smooth, turning the large logs into manageable, neatly cut planks. The sawmill operates smoothly, assisting her in completing the task quickly and efficiently, showcasing the perfect combination of skill and technology. Each plank is cut evenly and accurately, resulting in an excellent outcome. Not only is the sawmill impressive, but this firewood splitter is even more powerful and formidable. Let's take a look at how Leica handles it. She operates the machine with great skill, each move quick and precise, making the task easier and more efficient than ever.